How to add download links in Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can add links to download specific files, and it is actually going to be very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. First, you will need to sign in as an admin, obviously, and then you would want to go to the editor. Now here, obviously, you would want to find the page and place where you want to add the download links. I'm just going to be using the home page for the sake of this video, but you can also do it anywhere. So just go and click on edit, and you want to open up the editor. I'm just going to add a section here because I'm going to be, adding a bunch of them. So I'm just going to add a blank section. Now here I'm just going to add a block, and we are just going to go for the text block. So just go ahead and add whichever text here that you want. So this is going to be a download link, so you can do something like download here, click here to download whatever you actually want in here to, something to promote to the download basically, or call to action button. So I'm just going to write down something like click here to download. And you can also highlight a specific word, which I'm actually going to be doing here, which is here. So what we want to do now is make this here a downloadable button, or click link, whatever you want to call it. And you can also highlight more stuff, but I'm just going to highlight the here. So what do we need to do is actually just add the link option, which is this one right here. And then basically you will find it as URL by default, but you want to click on this icon here, which is the network icon with URL. Click on that and select file. Once you select file, you basically want to click on this upload button, and you would want to upload a specific file here. So I'm just going to go for this one, and let's just do this sample PDF. It could be images, it could be videos, just mind the size here. And once that's done, you basically want to make sure it is ticked. This way it is actually selected, and we can just go ahead and click away. And you can actually see it now, it is actually underlined, which basically means that it is, if people click on it, they will be able to download that file. So if you just go ahead and save, and now let's just go ahead and test this out. I'm just going to preview my site, and we can just go ahead and test out whether this is going to actually work or not. So just click on preview, go down to it, click on it, and it's actually going to download the file for us. Well, not automatically, but you'll be able to basically download it from here. So close enough, yes? And also you can do it in the form of buttons instead of text if you want. It's going to be exactly the same process. So I'm just going to show you real quick, just in case you want to know how to do so. Again, I'm just going to go to the same section, click on button this time, add the text that you actually want, click on it once more, click on edit, and then from here you want to attach link, make sure it is file, and then you would want to upload the same file, or not the same file, whichever file you actually feel like adding, and then people will be able to download it. So that is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.